Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, a bit of a disclaimer before we carry on. This is one of my favorite politicians within the Nigerian space. I am talking of course of the Kaduna based politician, the erudite and the affable Senator Shehu Sani. I have always liked this guy. I've always liked what he has to say and how he chooses to say it. So with that guys, I bring you this. BBNaija, Shehu Sani reacts to Tacha's exit, reveals housemate he's supporting. So that's the headline. BBNaija, Shehu Sani reacts to Tacha's exit, reveals housemate he's supporting. So this of course is a light-hearted story. So now let's see what our favorite Malami is making of the Big Brother reality show. So let's get into it. Shehu Sani, a former lawmaker representing Kaduna Central District at the National Assembly, has reacted to the disqualification of Big Brother Naija housemate Tacha and the eviction of Kafi. The former lawmaker believes the followers of the reality television show settled for Tacha when Kafi left by eviction. According to him, now that Tacha has been sent home, Mercy takes center stage. This is coming after Tacha and Mercy engaged in a dirty argument which had both housemates hurling insults at each other. Reacting to the whole scenario, Sani tweeted, "When our Kafi left, we settled for Tacha, and now Tacha left, we are settling for Mercy, hoping some of us will not be accused of mobile loyalty." So now this is now Shehu Sani now showing the human side. Of course, he's always had a human side and he's always been a likable guy, and every time I have always seen him in interviews, I might not necessarily agree with everything that he has to say, but I have always admired the way he says it. He's inoffensive while still being firm in his position. So he's a northerner, but then also he's a Nigerian, and he doesn't really see a dichotomy between the two because he is quite comfortable with both. He is very comfortable with being a northerner and is equally comfortable with being a Nigerian, and he doesn't really see that there is a distinction between the two, because really ideally there should be no distinction between the two, because I as a Yoruba man from Oyo Alafi can be equally Yoruba and be Nigerian equally. So that is really how it should be. But then of course under the Malami Buhari thing that we are going under at the moment, the Fulanization agenda, we are now going to our own tribes. So it is to your tent, O Israel, effectively the situation we're in now. But even in that situation, there are still people who are displaying a nationalistic outlook and a human side, and this Senator Shehu Sani is one of them. I admire the guy immensely, along with Balarabe Musa. If we are picking people from the north, I'll pick Balarabe Musa, I'll pick this guy. I'm 50-50 on that. They are Meme of Kano, because I think he's a bit 419. In fact, he's more than a little bit 419. All of the money that he helped himself to. And this guy gave the Buhari a lot of money. Now Ganduje is wiring him. But that's a separate video. But in the north, at least, I'll pick those two elements, because I don't know a lot of northern politicians, at least ones that are worthy of admiration. But out of the whole of the north, I would pick definitely first this Shehu Sani character, and Balarabe Musa. I have always admired him. I have always admired him. There's one other one as well that is from the Awo days, but I cannot remember his name. I think I can't remember his name now, but he's a left of center northern politician as well. I admired him too. So three northern elements that I admire, and Senator Shehu Sani certainly is the contemporary one that is in relevance now, that I admire now. But that's not to say I admire him more than others, but certainly is one that I align with. Conversations in the comment section. Who is your favorite Malami is the question that I am asking. But before you come tell me who your favorite Aboki is, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what Tuwo Munching person you admire the most in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Meet you in the comment section. But here I say peace.